here from Harrison's Estate Agents. Today I am absolutely delighted to show you this property, number 56A, Beehive Green. Properties like this very rarely come to market. You can see the property externally has some beautiful architectural characteristics. As you enter the property, the standard of the fittings are absolutely amazing. You will be wowed by this house. Not just the house itself, but the landscaping that has been done to the rear of the property. It gives it an all-round finished feel. Let's take a look inside. I know you'll want to view this.